Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, today's video we will be discussing about advanced ASE profile for Accenture, which is one of the candidate cleared this for 6.5 LPA package. And yes, let's discuss about the interview questions. And this was the on-campus for 2022 batch, which the candidate actually cleared. So yes, let's discuss quickly about the exam pattern. Then the interview questions we'll discuss. So the first round is the aptitude round where 90 questions happens in 90 minutes you have to answer, and a few things to keep in mind, like you can navigate between intersectional and intra also. I mean, between the sections also and between the questions also you can navigate, and there is no negative marking in this. And try to do maximum questions, since there is no negative marking. Like at least try to do 70 to 80, minimum like 75 to 80 questions correctly, for the better chance. Then the also this round, I mean the aptitude round, the topics would be like the maths, I mean the numeric ability, the reasoning, the pseudo codes, and your network security questions you will be asked. Also I have created a separate video completely, I mean in details. You can just go through that. Also a playlist has been created. Then in the second round, guys, coding questions happens, wherein a coding round is there, in which you have two questions you have to complete. And the I mean whichever language you are comfortable with, programming language like C++, Java, or C, or Python, you can just do it. Okay. Then round third, which is a communication round, wherein in communication round, guys, basically they will check your how you are communicating, the pronunciation, your tone, your pitch, everything they'll check. For this also, a complete video I have put on my channel, where you can just go through every questions, what type of questions are being asked. There are I mean a lot of sections for various communication, like speaking, reading, etc. So you can just go through in details. Then the last round is your interview round, which happens like the TR, technical round, and the HR round happens together. So the questions which were asked from this particular candidate was: introduce yourself. Okay, very important. Here you have to keep in mind certain things, that the interview should be very precise. It is not like you have to mention about your family, everything. No, but yes, about yourself, which means about your education. Focus on your education. Like briefly tell them that you know this language and this project. That's it, and your certification. This would be more or less enough for about yourself. You can prepare it basically. I will soon create a video on this also, about what kind of mistakes people make. So soon I'll get this. Then which programming language you know. So basically questions they will ask mostly from basically resume. Okay, resume questions. They'll put up questions from resume. Basically, like what programming language, then they'll ask you questions from that particular language. Now, next question is, guys, from projects. Like Accenture is a company where in the interview round they majorly focuses on your projects and your certifications. So you have to be very well versed with and very thorough with your project. So then again they asked about the project, to explain the project. Then they asked further, like who gave the idea about this project. So you can just explain that I got an I mean through whom you got idea, like you discussed with your friends, colleagues, your I mean you got, or you just google it and researched about it, and you got to know the idea. This is just examples I'm sharing with you. You can tell accordingly. Then what problems did you face during the project? Okay, now next is explain oops concept. This is like technical questions, very basic conceptual questions were there, like oops concept, inheritance, polymorphism. With real life example, they actually asked real life example. Why? Because they want to check your spontaneousness, that how spontaneous and how thoughtful you are. I mean, uh, are you able to think or relate it or not? So this was the question. Then HR question, not much questions were there, like why you want to join Accenture was such a question. Here also you can prepare it accordingly, like you can compare it basically, what are the positive sides of joining Accenture. You can prepare pointers, and then you can tell them. You can just Google search about Accenture. You should know about what Accenture does, who all are the competitors of Accenture, why you want to join, why not other. Plus they would also ask any other offers you have in hand, and why you want to choose Accenture. So yes, you can compare it, and then you can tell the plus points that why you want to join Accenture. So this was very basic, interview questions were asked in ASE. Since this this particular candidate actually solved both the executed both the coding questions. So that person got ASE, advanced ASE role. So yes, in case you have any doubt query, you can just go through the playlists I have created for Accenture. A lot of interview experiences with different questions are being asked with the candidates. You can go through, or you can message me on Instagram, or comment me. I'll be happy to help you guys. So do check out other videos as well, share with your friends. Till then guys, have a great day, be safe, take care.